In this section, we will discuss and demonstrate how to create report and report wizard tools. Let's open a new project to better understand this session. Open the required project, then go to Tools Reports. This will open the Reports window, where you can see a large number of predefined reports available in P6. Next, go to Tools Report Groups. Report groups are organized in a hierarchical structure, similar to the WBS. If you want to create your own report group, simply click Add, create a new group, and arrange the hierarchy according to your requirements. This gives you complete flexibility to organize reports the way you prefer. Now, let's understand batch reports. A batch report is a collection of multiple reports grouped together so they can be generated in a single run. For example, Primavera already includes a weekly batch report. Similarly, you can create your own monthly batch report by adding all the reports you require. At the end of every month, you only need to run that batch, and all the selected reports will be generated or printed automatically based on your predefined setup. Next, let's see how to run a report. Go to Tools, Reports, select the report you want to generate, and click Run. Primavera provides several output options. Print Preview, view the report before printing. Direct to Printer, send the report directly to the printer. Email Attachment, generate the report as an email attachment. HTML File, export the report in HTML format for viewing in a web browser. Now run the Print Preview option to view the report. Now, let's see how to run a batch report. Go to Run Batch Report by right-click in the report window. Here, you will find all the batch report groups that you have already created. Select the required batch report group from the list. For this demonstration, we will choose the HTML file output option and click Run. Once the process is complete, you will notice that all the reports included in the selected batch are generated automatically. In our example, 2 reports are generated. You can open and review whichever report you need. If you want to export the report data into a format that can be easily used in Microsoft Excel or other applications, simply select the Delimited Text File option. This exports the report in a text-based format with fields separated by delimiters, making it easy to import and analyze the data in spreadsheet software. This is a convenient way to share report data or perform further analysis outside Primavera P6. Now, let's explore the Report Wizard option. Go to Tools, Report Wizard. Here, you will notice that the Modify option is available, while the other 2 options are grayed out and cannot be selected. This is because we are currently accessing the wizard from the Reports window. Now, switch to the Activities window and open the Report Wizard again. This time, you will see additional options such as New Report and Use Current Screen. Click Next by selecting New Report, then choose the required subject area for your report. After selecting the subject area, click Next and choose the columns you want to include in the report. You can add or remove columns according to your reporting requirements. Once you have finished selecting the columns, continue clicking Next until you reach the final step, then click Run Report. Choose your preferred output format, such as Print Preview or HTML file, and generate the report. The report will display exactly the information and columns that you selected in the wizard. If you want to use this report again in the future, simply save it for later use. Now, let's look at the Use Current Screen option in the Report Wizard. Select Use Current Screen and click Next. Choose Activities as the subject area and proceed to the next step. You will notice that there is no need to rearrange the columns. This is because the Use Current Screen option automatically uses the same column layout and order that is currently displayed on your screen. As you can see, the report layout matches the current activities view exactly. Click Next, then click Run Report. Choose your preferred output format, such as Print Preview or HTML file, and generate the report. Now, let's go back to the previous option, which is available only from the Reports window. Here, you will see the Modify Report Wizard option. This feature is used to edit or customize an existing report rather than creating a new one. The remaining steps are exactly the same as creating a new report. You can add or remove columns, rearrange their order, modify the report layout, and make any other required changes. Once the modifications are complete, continue through the wizard, run the report, and save it if required. Finally, let's look at another very useful reporting feature. Although it is not commonly used by many users, it is an extremely powerful option. To demonstrate this, let's open a new project and go to the report wizard once again. Select any report option and proceed through the wizard until you reach the time distributed data option. This is the key feature we want to explore. Enable time distributed data, then select the fields you want to include in the report. After that, you will see two additional settings: time interval and time scale. Under time interval, choose whether you want the data to be displayed as cumulative values or by individual time intervals. Next, configure the time scale by selecting the reporting frequency that suits your requirements, such as yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly, or daily. Once you complete the wizard and generate the report, you will notice that the selected data is distributed across the chosen time intervals instead of being displayed as a single summary. This is a very powerful reporting feature in Primavera P6, especially for analyzing project progress, resource usage, costs, and other time phase data. Although many users do not use this feature regularly, it is highly valuable for creating professional project reports and detailed time-based analysis.